everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share 5 random skincare tips which work. So I've come up with these tips with my own experience and what I feel really works for my skin. And these tips are not going to include drinking a lot of water, wearing sunscreen, having a good skincare routine, because you guys already know that and I've said that a lot of times in my other videos. So please make sure you are following these 3 things first before following the other tips. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase. So I don't have a pillowcase, but I do have a satin scarf. So I just put it on my pillow and I sleep on it. So cotton usually absorbs products, like whatever skincare products you put on your skin, cotton is going to absorb that, and it's not going to be beneficial for your skin because of course cotton is using your skincare. So when you use a silk or satin scarf or pillowcase, it does not absorb much skincare products, and it's also very gentle on your skin, so it really helps, okay? And it's even good for your hair, you know, like I use a satin bonnet to sleep, but this is really good for your hair as well as skin. And that reminds me of another tip, which is not to touch your face often. Your hand is very dirty, you know, even if you feel your hand is clean, a lot of bacteria is sitting on it, a lot of dirt is sitting on it, because we do a lot of things with our hands, right? So when you touch your hand to your skin, it's just transferring that bacteria onto your skin, and it's gonna cause, you know, pimples and stuff, and it also absorbs skincare products. So yeah, don't touch your hands, and also don't use cotton for sleeping. And I'll also like to give one more tip. This is all combined one tip, okay? Whenever you're in a bus or public transport, like in my company bus, we have these curtains, so I usually sleep on the bus. So those curtains tend to touch your skin, so make sure not to do that as well. It touches our hair as well, so yeah, don't let it touch your hair and your skin because it's very dirty. My second tip is to drink apple cider vinegar. So this brand called DiSano sent me their apple cider vinegar. I had never tried it before this, and I've always wanted to try apple cider vinegar because I heard very good things about it, and this brand sent me, so I finally got to try it. So it's made from apple juice, so it has all the nutrients intact. It has undiluted stuff, you know, it's not diluted, because when you dilute it, you cannot store it for a long time, and when it's undiluted, it just you know, you can store it for years and it's not gonna get spoiled. But of course before drinking it you have to dilute it, but don't store it after diluting. Drink it soon. So while drinking it, just dilute it in a glass or something and then drink it. And it has antioxidants, which is, you know, really good for your health and your skin as well. Many people drink it to reduce fat and lose weight, but I'm not really using it for that purpose. I'm using it for my skin, and people also directly apply it on their skin like after diluting, but I have not really tried it and I don't want to. And they also apply it on their hair, you know, to get rid of dandruff and stuff, but I have not tried any of that. But if I do, I'll surely let you all know how it worked. But this is what I've been drinking, you know, diluted of course. Like I drink very little, you know, I can't drink a lot. So since a few days I've been drinking this, and I'm not gonna lie, it does not smell good, but the taste doesn't really bother me. A lot of people hate its taste, but I actually quite liked it. Is that weird? I mean, I don't really like, it's not like I love the taste, but it's not like I hate it. So yeah, I can drink it, and make sure not to touch it to your teeth because it's very strong and, you know, it's bad for your teeth. So I try to directly drink it by not touching my teeth. You can even use straw if you want. So what I've noticed is that like my skin had little bumps, you know, like last month, and it has quite cleared my skin. Like right now I'm not wearing any makeup, I'm just wearing little blush and a bit of concealer under my eyes, but for the rest of my skin I'm not wearing anything, and it has pretty much cleared my skin. And I'm not sure if it's because of this alone, because I've also been eating these candies. This brand called Top Gummy sent me their vitamin supplements. I mean, they are in a gummy jelly form. So I've also been eating that. So I'm not sure whether it's because of that or this or the weather in general, because I have not changed my skincare routine. So it might be because of this, because I heard a lot of good reviews about apple cider vinegar. A lot of people drink it and their skin clears up and acne gets cleared and stuff like that. And if you don't want to drink it directly, you can even use it as a salad dressing. I mean, that's how people use it, but I don't know if it's that beneficial because it's gonna be very less. But yeah, you can use it in any form which you like. My third tip is skincare routine related. So whenever you're putting any skincare product, make sure to put them from thinner layer to the thickest layer. Like, put your toner first, then a moisturizer, and then an oil. If you put oil first or moisturizer first and then you're applying toner, it's not really gonna work, because moisturizer and oil have bigger molecules and they're gonna block the toner from entering your skin, so it's not gonna be beneficial if you do that. So always make sure you're applying toner, like very light consistency products, and then build it up by adding thicker products like having larger molecules. And I've also noticed a difference ever since I started applying toner before my moisturizer. Like, for a long time I used only moisturizer directly on dry skin, but if you use something underneath, you can even use water, you can just splash little water and make your skin bit damp before applying moisturizer. That also helps. You can even use rose water or something like that, but have some kind of dampness to your skin before directly going in with moisturizer or oil, so that really hydrates your skin. My fourth tip is to keep your hair away from your forehead and your skin. So a few years back I had very bad bumps on my forehead. That was because of dandruff. I had a lot of dandruff, so that used to constantly fall on my forehead, and that was because my hair kept touching my forehead. So make sure if you have a lot of dandruff, just keep your hair away from your forehead or face in general. If you have fringes and if you have dandruff, I don't think it's a good idea to wear fringes while you have a lot of dandruff, or just clean your fringes. Don't apply a lot of product there, because even product build-up causes acne. If you apply a lot of product like I do, like for curly hair styling I have to apply a lot of products, and some products are comedogenic, some are not. But the products which are comedogenic, they are going to clog your pores and cause acne, pimples and stuff. So just don't take any risk. If you're applying a lot of product on your hair, just keep it away from your face. And if you have fringes, make sure you don't apply any product on it, because the product is going to touch your forehead and it might give you bumps. And if you want clear skin, I feel you shouldn't take any risk of touching your hair on your face. And my fifth tip is kind of related to the fourth tip, is whenever you're styling your hair, like after you're done styling your hair, make sure you clean your face. Like, wash your face with a face wash or a cleanser, so that the products, the hair styling products, are gone from your face. Because if they stay, they're gonna clog your pores and give pimples. So for example, when I wash my hair, like after applying shampoo, conditioner, after that I apply leave-in conditioner and gel. So after that I'm not really gonna wash my head again. So a lot of us tend to wash our body first and face first and then go in with styling. But what I do is I style my hair first and then I wash my face. So that just makes sure that if any styling products are falling on my face, they are gone completely. And even body acne, like most probably your styling products are giving you body acne if they are comedogenic. So if that's the case, wash your body after you style your hair, just to be on the safer side. So those were all my tips. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.